If you're a dentist doing some all-on-X cases but struggling to hit 5, 10, or even 20 a month profitably, this is the most important message you're going to see all day. My name is Chelsea. I'm the founder of the Implant Engine. Just give me 3 minutes of your time. In 2025 alone, our clients sold over $70 million in full arch treatment, most generating more than a 10x return on their ad dollars. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the exact system we installed to make it happen. I talk to dentists every day who want to do more all-on-X so they can work less and earn more and finally do the transformative dentistry that they love. But something keeps getting in the way. Maybe it's the leads, maybe it's your process, maybe it's your team, or maybe you're just tired of guessing. Here's the truth. Dentists in your area are closing 20 arches a month or more, not because they're better doctors, but because they have the right system. After helping more than 130 offices scale their full arch production this year, here's what I know. It's probably not your clinical skills, it's probably not your surgical ability, it's probably not even your price point. You're clinically ready to scale, but your practice is not. You're missing the key marketing and business infrastructure that turns expertise into predictable revenue. We work with a ton of offices, implant centers, specialists, and GPs nationwide, all focused on scaling full arch production. In fact, we're on track to do $30 million in treatment sales this quarter alone. Just take a look at a few of these case studies. Most of these practices had worked with other agencies, so what made the real difference? It wasn't another lead gen agency, it's that we installed a real end-to-end system. We call it the Full Arch Growth Engine. It has 4 key components. It starts with creating high-quality ads. No more cheesy, stock imagery, generic free consult ads. We create professional video content that showcases your work, your expertise, and your story, so you attract real buyers, not just bargain shoppers. We call, vet, and schedule for you. Our dental-trained treatment setting team calls every lead within 20 seconds, 7 days a week, including evenings and weekends. We screen for income, credit, and readiness and collect a $50 deposit. Your calendar is filled with qualified buyers who show up and are ready to move forward. We train your treatment coordinator to be an elite closer. Most TCs close at 15% or less on full arch consults. We train your TC to close at 40% or higher. And here's why this matters so much. Let's say you have 20 consults per month. At a 15% close rate, that's $1.26 million per year. Not bad. But at a 40% close rate, that's $3.36 million per year. That's $2 million in additional production without more consults. We also provide your team with amazing resources like our Smile Reveal software that can allow your team to show each patient a real-time photo and video of their beautiful new smile right there inside our software. Finally, we are the most tech-forward, data-driven system on the planet. You get a live dashboard showing every dollar spent, every call made, every consult scheduled, every arch closed, and every single number in between, because what you measure, you multiply. No guesswork, no agency hiding behind smoke and mirrors, just real numbers. Some practices ask me, is it too late to get into the full arch game? Is it too competitive? Is the economy just too bad? Just last month alone, eDental spent $5,000 and returned $224,000. The Dental Studio of Midland spent $5,000, returned $97,000. SmileWalk spent $6,000, returned $131,000. Innovative spent $13,000 and returned $525,000, all in one single month. Or maybe you're worried about competing with big centers like Clear Choice or Nuvia, and I hear this all the time too. Yes, competition can definitely be tough in some areas, but here's the facts. Most patients don't want to go to a corporate center. They only go there because those centers actually advertise and you don't. When given a real choice, patients actually prefer private practice. They want a doctor they can meet, a team that knows their name, and a personalized experience, one that you can offer them. And here's the secret. You don't actually need a massive budget to compete with these chains. You just need a team that knows how to use the budget you have efficiently. Or maybe you're thinking, the last time I tried implant marketing, I got all freebie seekers and junk leads. What makes you any different? That's because most companies don't filter properly. They want high volume of leads, not good quality leads. Our 10-step process blocks freebie seekers, verifies income and credit, and requires a $50 deposit, amongst other things. That's why our clients see industry-leading show rates and double the average close rates. If you click this ad, you're about to see dozens of other implant marketing offers. But unless you already have a full content team, a rockstar closer, a 24/7 call center, and real business infrastructure, most agencies just won't work for you. They're lead gen agencies at best. Every day you wait, a patient that should have been paying you $50,000 is paying someone else $50,000, not because they're a better doctor, but because they acted and they had the right system. Don't wait. Don't push this out to next quarter. The window is now. The opportunity is now. Book the demo below. Speak directly with someone on our team. Get a plan that's built around your goals and your budget so you can finally start doing the transformative dentistry that you set out to do so long ago.